Hi guys, Angie Freeman here, IRS enrolled agent and your trusted accountant, bringing you a timely update on the 2026 meal deduction changes that are taking place now. So as of January 1, 2026, there's a change that affects most of our small business owners. Specifically, you are no longer allowed to deduct the office pantry meals or convenience of employer meals. So those two types of deductions are going to 0% as of January 1, 2026. So what are those meals? Office pantry meals. When you're buying snacks for the office space, whether that's coffee or chips or some little sandwiches or tea, things like that, that are sitting in the office pantry available to your employees, those are specifically disallowed as of the beginning of this year. Also, employee convenience meals, and that's when the employer is purchasing either some dinners or lunches or catering them in with the goal that we're busy right now, we want our staff to stay on site, eat hopefully at their desks or in a meeting room, and then go back to work as quickly as possible. So those are convenience of employer meals. They're going from 100% deductible to 0% deductible this year. So what should a business owner do? What we're recommending for our business owners is to pivot into different types of office meals that are still deductible. Now, what you can do is you can still have deductible holiday meals and employee morale building meals, and that's what we're recommending for our clients. Now, what that would entail is not just having one Christmas party for the year and call that it. Instead, you can have many different types of holiday celebration meals. So for example, birthday party meals, maybe make a monthly birthday party celebration for all employees. You can have quarterly meet our goals types of meals. You can have milestone celebration meals. You can have a celebration of new hires. All types of meals designed to build employee morale, designed for the employees. The key here is that it's not a meal for the owner or the employer. These are meals designed for the employees to celebrate them, to bring them closer together, and to thank them for their work. Those types of meals are still deductible, and that's what we're recommending that our business owners switch to for 2026 and beyond. Now, other types of business meals such as travel meals and meals with your clients are still 50% deductible. You can still take those, but just make sure that you're aware that you can no longer deduct pantry meals. You can no longer deduct the meals for the convenience of employer, and instead you should just focus on the meals that we can deduct, and those are basically holiday meals and celebrations of that type. So hopefully you hear this advice, and we will see a lot more holiday meals when we're working on your books and taxes for this year, and a lot less of the pantry meals that are now going to be specifically non-deductible. If you have any questions, we love to hear from you. So please leave us a comment below, and of course, like and subscribe to our videos. It helps our little channel grow. Thank you. Signing off.